Hello, little explorers! Welcome to our fun farm adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Dog. Farm dogs help protect animals and love to play. What sound do dogs make? Woof, woof. Cat. Farm cats help keep mice away. They love to nap and say meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow. Cow. Look. These are cows. Cows give us fresh milk, and they love to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Horse. Wow! Look at these strong horses. Horses help farmers and love to run. Let's gallop like a horse. Neigh. Chicken. Here are some chickens. Chickens lay eggs. Some eggs hatch into baby chicks. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck, cluck. Goat. Goats are playful and love to climb. Some goats even give us milk. Let's all bleat like a goat. Me. Pig. Oink, oink. These are pigs. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Let's all snort like a pig. Oink, oink. Donkey. Donkeys help carry things on the farm. They make a loud sound like this, hee-haw. Duck. Here come the ducks. Ducks love to swim and make a quacking sound. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Rabbit. These are rabbits. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. Let's all hop like a rabbit. Boing, boing. Goose. These are geese. They honk loudly and love to stay in groups. Can you honk like a goose? Honk, honk. Sheep. These fluffy animals are sheep. They give us wool to make warm clothes. What sound do sheep make? Baa. Turkey. Look at this turkey. It makes a funny sound. Can you gobble like a turkey? Gobble, gobble. Bee. Bees are tiny but very important. They make honey and love flowers. Can you buzz like a bee? Buzz. Parrot. Look at this colorful parrot. Parrots can mimic sounds and even talk. Can you squawk like a parrot? Squawk, squawk. Wow! That was so much fun meeting all these farm animals. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye for now.